Welcome back, Dines Nation, to another authentic and healthy cooking show. On today's menu, I will be preparing for you curry fish. And so, these are the ingredients that we're going to use in the fish. A little thyme, some hot pepper, some garlic, some scallion, onion. We have some fish season here, and this is the turmeric that we're going to use to curry the fish, along with some carrot, chocho, and sweet peppers. This dish will be a colorful, delicious dish. So we are going to pour the hot frying pan. We're going to pour some blended garlic, onion, and scallion. Bear in mind, I'm not going to use any butter nor oil because this is an authentic and healthy curry fish. So we pour the blended scallion, garlic, and onion into the pot. So as it boils, you add the turmeric, because this is what is going to give the fish the color. Turmeric is very good for you. Very good for all ailments in the body. So this is what we're going to use to curry our fish. Smells good. So to this mixture, I'm going to add some fish seasoning. This will thicken the gravy. Then we're going to add the carrots, because these take a little longer to cook. Fish doesn't take that long to cook. So you're going to add the carrots and a little chocho. And you know that chocho is very healthy too. It has a lot of fiber and it is an antioxidant. And this can eat raw as well. To that, we are going to add the peppers. Pepper is a must when you're cooking fish. A little thyme, garlic. I love to cook with garlic. Wow, it flavors the pot. So a little garlic, scallion, and of course some onions. All these ingredients was washed before cutting up. So to this, we are going to add a little sweet pepper. Just a little for now. going to add the fish. So we are going to allow this now to cook the vegetables and the fish to steam. I'm going to add the remaining sweet pepper when this is close to cook. So we are going to test the fish to see if it's ready to turn, and it is. You don't want them to mash out. So, see that? The other one is there. Oh, they are crying and I'm laughing. My mouth is watering for this. Wow. So now I will add the remaining pepper. Wow. Colorful. Wow. When you do it like this, guys, you don't miss oil, you don't miss butter. This is just healthy cooking. So you just give it, you allow the fish to cook probably for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then catch me when I'm ready to plate it. So this is my curry fish served with boiled yam and a finger of banana. The gravy is so nice, delicious. I know you will enjoy this show. So go ahead, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, and you will be the first to know when I upload the next video. One love, peeps, and enjoy this curry fish.